Hey, good afternoon. This is 30th October 2022. Getting the charts ready for Globex trading. So, doing the normal thing we always do on a Sunday. I'm looking at the monthly volume profile. This orange is the monthly volume profile. So, uh, marking out the POCs and the areas of importance. Right now, we're looking at the possibility to challenge the upper profile volume area. We're above the value area high, so looking at tonight possibly touching the monthly volume profile high. So I look for that area as resistance. The blue is a weekly profile cluster, so the yellow is a daily cluster. This is on NQ. Right, let's go down to the weekly. Okay. Just want to mark out our POCs and any low volume nodes or high volume nodes. So this is the daily, so we're not with that much granularity. But on an hourly, looking at the weekly volume profile, we go to hour chart, and we can really distinguish our low volume nodes, high volume nodes. This has been used. Right here. So I'm gonna mark this. Let's go back to the monthly. Move this. I think this is done. We still have our other monthly POCs up. It's hard to tell. I think we're going to again hit this monthly profile. Let's go to back to the week. Let's go back to the hourly. Right. let's go to the daily. See, we held that October point of control, just took off from there. Go 30 minutes. All right. Look at the daily. All right. So we do have weekly zone here, weekly point of control, top of the monthly profile. So that area 11,722 to 11,800 is important. Is important. Have profile cluster right here. Right. Look for that area to hold. And overall, we're bullish. We cut that good bounce right off the uh, July of 2020 POC. Cut the bounce right off of that. Got a good bulls really showed up the last session. So I mean, overall, I just gotta wait and see. Yeah, I do look for profile, volume profile high to be tested. See what it does from there. I'm really not. I mean, that's 100 points away, so just have to wait and see. I have to wait and see. On the hourly, there was non-stop buying. It looks like last session, so we have relatively equal highs here. So 11, 735 might be a target. 1 point, or even 117.34.25. Even just one tick above the high might be an area of importance. Might be a target. Yeah, I can see it going above. I can see it going here. For sure. All right, let's look at the ES real quick. All right, well, ES, you're already into. Let's go back to our profile month. Okay. Been gone for a little bit, so gotta make sure everything's still relevant. Right off the monthly POC. Right off the monthly POC. That's beautiful. Let's go to ES. I will leave the POCs, the monthly and weekly POCs, the daily POCs. I trade off of them, but I don't really leave them on there if they've been. I don't feel they're no longer in play. All right, so monthly profile high here, the same thing. We are at it right now, so might see minor divergence on between the ES and NQ. The ES might have found its target temporarily, at least. Might reject that monthly profile high. Right? Yeah, we're running right into a high volume node also. See, got a high volume node previous. September's high volume node right there. So might see a divergence between NQ and ES. NQ still shooting for the top of the volume profile high, and the ES saying, "Hey, I'm here, and let's something else." All right, that's monthly profile. Let's go to weekly. Now, get a little granularity. Yeah, mostly trade NQ. I'm a Globex trader, so mostly I will trade NQ. I will trade ES. Time to time, if ES has a better setup, a better risk reward scenario, then I will most definitely trade ES instead. It looks to me like ES is due for a pullback, but you never know. The trend can go on a lot longer than what we realize it can, right? I'm going to try to call the top. I'm just going to watch this area that we're in right now. That's all. I'm just going to watch it. I'm not trying to call it. I'm just going to watch it. We are definitely. Yeah. Let's get some more time on this one. weekly profile high. I mean, weekly POC. That's what. Yeah. Stands out. That isn't already marked. Okay, trading plan for the ES. Yeah, ES is at a couple weeks ago. We talked about having that. Oh, it either is this or that. Defining point. Right? Again, I don't like trying to call it top, but we are at an interesting place. If we do punch through the monthly volume profile high, again, yellow, the zones are POC clusters. So yellow is daily. Orange is monthly, blue is weekly. That's all real interesting right now. See that this zone right here, this POC, um, you stopped at this POC. So do we head back down and range, you know, range in here? Oh, just gotta see how it shakes out. I think we'll at least pause. On the ES, I think we'll pause for tonight. Anyway, I think 779 to wow, it's incredible. 47 points. Wow. Yeah. So my trading plan tonight for the ES will be seeing how it. We're already there at the spot that I feel would set up a trade. Okay. I will look to fade anything in this area. But I'm just going to see. I mean, that's a hell of a bullish candle. 147 points. So that put. But again, we are at the top of the monthly profile high. So it just come right back down. See how it works. But initially, I'm thinking I might get a fade opportunity from this monthly profile high here. So 39.26, but right where we're at right now, essentially 39.26, uh, up to the 39.64 range. I don't think we make it that far. That'd be a good fade opportunity there, and NQ. I'm gonna look for it to press on and take out. You got equal highs here, daily equal highs here, here. So I look for the NQ to take out these equal highs. 117.40. Well, you know, the high on this bar was 117, 11,734. So 11,734.25 at least. That's my target. So I'm going to look for a long in the ES targeting 11,734.25. Take out this candle because this candle and this one. What's the high on this one? 729 over here. See, so over here. So 729, 75, they're relatively equal. 729, 734, so it's 5 points. And the NQ, 5 points, so that's nothing. I look for this to be taken, at least. Long on the NQ, short on the ES. That's my bias. Just look for a spot to end, spot to enter. That's where I'm at. All right. Safe trading.